can't open messages on Messenger. Hi guys, so first thing you wanna do is go to the settings, go to the apps, open the apps like this, and then go to the Messenger, click on force stop, and click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless add networks, click on the airplane mode, enable it for 2 seconds and disable it, and then go to the Play Store, search for Messenger and update it. By the way guys, you can do the same thing on the iPhone iOS. And the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you may have to remove Messenger from your phone and re-download it. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.